Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing the final process on our summer sowing. So if you've seen the previous videos, I've shown where we've been sowing and how it's grown through its time here, and now it's been set seed and it's ready to do its final job, where we're going to go through and we're going to do a thing called crimping. There's actual machines you can get where they actually crimp. We're just going to be using an old power pole, and what it's going to do is it's going to get run over the plants and it's going to break the stems and leave them laying flat on the ground to build some more ground cover and mulch, which we can then go and sow back through or whatever we want to do with it. So yeah, I'll put a time lapse on the tractor while we go do that, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell if you want notifications when we upload. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so I'm just going to add on here, just finished the crimping, and looking at it, it's done a pretty good job. It's probably not done as good a job as something if you would get an actual crimper. I think it's just not quite heavy enough, the power pole, but it does do a good job. A lot of the stalkier plants, like the sunflowers and stuff, they've all been bent and crimped pretty well. some of the farmers' friends, all that sort of stuff. But I think the grasses like the Soteria, which is all here, all this stuff's probably just going to pop back up. So I guess I'll just wait and see how it goes. So this was the first paddock that I sowed. The other one's actually over there, which is the one I did on the video. I'll just see, you probably can't, you can just see it there. Dad and I weren't sure about whether we wanted to crimp that one or not, and we just talked about it earlier before I came out here and did this. I think we decided we're going to slash it, so we're going to do a bit of a trial. We're going to crimp one and slash the other one and see how it all stacks up, I guess. See what it did. But this one, it's definitely built a very thick layer of mulch compared to the slasher. It sort of scatters it a bit, which is good. But I think this would be really good, and I'll just see what happens in the future. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little time lapse. And yeah, I'll just like, subscribe, bell for notifications, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you now.